Assalamualaikum and hi to all of you. Today, I would like to share with you about the topic uses of social network. When you log into your computer and start up a web browser, what is the first website that comes to mind? Facebook, MySpace, or maybe Twitter? These websites are just some of the world's top social networking sites in the World Wide Web. There are currently 3.6 billion social media users worldwide. That means that over a third of the world population is using some form of social media to communicate. Did you know 53.6% of the world population use social network? The average delay used is 2 hours and 25 minutes. Every day we are constantly using our phones and computer, whether it be Instagram, Twitter, Facebook or Snapchat. Social networking sites play a constant role throughout today's society, whether it be negative or positive. The first advantage we will gain from adopting social media is communication. This is because communication is critical in the community and public relations. Furthermore, in business and marketplace as well as in education. In community and public relations, many people use social network to communicate with their peers and people who they share common interests with. Social network allow people to share not only type text with another, but also multimedia in the form of photos and videos. Social network also help us communicate with their friend who is far away from us. Besides that, in business, social network are also used in another field of marketing relation, such as product promotion. Many businesses advocate for the use of social network for commercial reasons because they think it has a positive impact and encourage testing for specific goods or service. Organizations using social network must be aware that using social network cannot directly sell their product, but you can build some relationship through forum, blogs and another form of social media. The development of an integrated internet homepage is another field of marketing communication. Companies are investing a lot of resources to create website, protocol and processor, which provide advanced tools for the handling for sale purchase to guarantee consumer knowledge, collecting competitive data, marketing and so on. Last but not least, in education, now most of the instructors and professors use YouTube to show students different kind of video related to their subject, and their productivity has gone miles ahead of what is used to be before. Teachers have come up with their concept of creating a shared website for all students to post information on any change in class schedule, date due for assignment submission and quizzes. Since students nowadays use Facebook, it allows students to communicate with their professor and inquire about course problem while waiting at home. Students no longer have to carry heavy books. They will learn from collaborative media sites such as Wikipedia at any time. It's not only a dictionary for reader, but also for teachers. Students may give online presentation and send homework to a shared website, as well as receive input from teachers. In conclusion, social networks are important because they allow people to develop relationships with others. It also helps boost business productivity when used for public relations, marketing, and advertising purpose, also for education as well. That's all for me. Thank you for listening.